Hi and welcome back. So today I will be reviewing a very good website. It is very good in terms of challenges solving, problem solving, and all those things for all different languages out there. So it is Edabit. A lot of people might not know about this, but this is very good. It has almost like 10,000 plus questions for solving. Okay, so I'll in recently they have added for some tutorials also. I will show everything to you. Like you can create your account. It is very simple. Okay, they say that it is a faster way to learn and all those things. It is very easy. I will tell you one thing. It is very easy. I will show you, and it is very addictive. Like if you'll always keep wanting to come every day and try to get those questions solved. So currently it has 8 languages supported out here. Okay, and these are some testimonials of the people who have been using it. Okay, so now I'll log in and I will show you the things that are present inside it. Okay, so this is Edabit after you log in. Okay, so from here I'll start from the left hand side. So here you will select what language you want to code in. Okay, this is the difficulty level. It is very nice that they start from very easy to expert level. Okay, expert levels and very hard are very tough, I can say you. Okay, so you can select easy or very easy. You can even select tags, what kind of problems you want to solve. Okay, this is very handy. And like whatever questions you complete, you can use a filter to hide complete and all those things. The only issue I have from this website is that loading time takes a little longer. Okay, and this is the summary, like what you did, like what is your longest streak and what kind of problems you did in what day and all those things. Like this is fun to watch. Okay, and this is your level. So I am currently on level 10. I am planning to like upgrade myself furthermore. So and solving is very easy. Like see, this is I think the a new question which they added, go corona. Okay, and this is pretty simple, right? You can solve any kind of questions. They have a very long list of questions. I can say you that. Okay, so these were some challenges. So I will be showing you a question, right? So this is how the questions are there. So this is a question heading and it is published by whom, and this is the definition and this is the example. Like they are asking a simple, like create a function that will remove all the null values from an array, and this is the things which you are given. So here you can code actually. Okay, here the solutions will be unlocked after you solve it, or you can even unlock solutions but you won't get the experience point. Here are the comments which the people have used. Okay, and now I'll be just showing you how to solve it and how to compile. So I written the code. Okay, and once you click on like check, it will do all the test cases checking, and once you're happy you can submit. It will do again do a checking. Okay, this is the thing which I said. It is kind of like slow. It takes a lot of time. So once you're done, they will play a music, and you select like how difficult was the challenge. If you can go to other challenge. You can set your skill level, or you can see other how other have solved. Okay, so you will see some cool solutions and some other solutions also. This was my solution. Okay, this is pretty good. Now moving on, there's a section called practice. Okay, so what practice is, like whatever sections you have already like studied or like completed, you can just click on practice. You can start a practice session. They will ask you the same questions which you have already solved. Suppose this is a question which I have already solved. I do not know when, but see they are asking like if go and solve it. I will solve it. I will just do a check. This is a fun little UI they have made. See, and the thing is that the slow thing is there, but you can ignore the slow thing. Apart from that, everything is very good. I did some modification. I forgot this equals to. See, so once it is completed, you get your experience points and you move on to the next question and similar things like that. Okay, so this is asking to return me the product or something. I won't do this because it will take a lot of time. Okay, so now also what are the things that there's practice we already saw. Now we'll see this what is shuffle. Okay, so my experience got like 2400, and feeling like it will give you random kind of questions, whatever language you want to choose, the difficulty level, and if you suffer it will generate, see, and you'll start solving. It has pretty nice of questions. There are all level of difficulty, you won't feel dissatisfied. Okay, and lastly there's help. Okay, like you need to getting started, you can use collections for storing your collection, whatever questions you are liking it, you can add it to collections, you can even create a challenge if you want to. Okay, and there are some getting started things also. Okay, for collections you can store new collections. Okay, and people when visit their profile, you can they can see their collections. You can see, if you want to create any challenge, you can see what they have given everything, how to create a challenge and everything. Okay, and getting started is simply what I just said you, all those things. Okay, and lastly they have just added a tutorial section. So there they are teaching the language and the basics. See, JavaScript is already there, Python they are, see, written Python tutorials are coming soon, and I will just show you JavaScript. And it is also very fun way they will teach and they will ask, and they will ask you to complete the question, and they'll ask you whether you are done right or not. Okay, so it is very nice, it is interactive as they have underlined it. Okay, so here you see experience point, you can search questions, you get the notifications, and you can create challenge, translation or collection. See, translation is basically the languages which it is supported. Okay, and this is my profile, I will show you my profile once. So it is loading. So I already got the like badge, because I've been solving, and see, this is my, when I joined, full stack developer, this is my title and all those things. This is my current streak, the one did I which I did just now. See, this is my reputation 20. I do not like answer and all those things, so I just solve. So which are the questions which I've solved, you can see something that, and this is basically it. So I'll definitely suggest you to go explore it. This is definitely worth the time. You can invest every day and you can learn and you can become very good at what you want. Okay. So do share it, do like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos, and thank you for watching it.